Hi Ellie.
Hi.
Have you achieved all your goals for this program?
Yes, I have.
And what goals have you achieved?
Well, being able to not get as angry as I would have, and if I still get angry, express it in a really good way. I'm able to do my spelling easier because I used to not think I was really bad at spelling, and now I feel like I can do it.
Yeah.
Being able to control my mind's eye wandering off and then being able to pull it back. I'm also confident with talking to people. I used to be really scared, and now I'm feeling like I can.
Yeah.
And then my reading. I feel now that I can read like a movie whenever I want, and I'm really good at it.
Amazing. Can you tell me your experiences with spelling before the program?
Well, the highest out of 20 I got was 9. And now I feel like I might get maybe 18, 19, 20 in the teens. And I'm excited for a spelling test.
Oh, that is fantastic. How many students do you think are excited by spelling tests?
Not lots.
Not very many. I am so proud of everything you've done. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Do you feel ready for school?
Yep.
What did you feel like at the start of the program in terms of school stuff?
How are we going to get all this done in such a short time?
Yeah. And have we achieved it?
Yep.
And are you just confident now going forward?
Yep.
Amazing. Amazing. Thank you.